Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your resume with Gemini. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first what we are going to do is upload our resume to this prompt right here. Okay. Now, the next thing is we will tell Gemini the exact criteria for the job we are targeting. If you don't have the full job post, Gemini can fetch it dynamically using live web parsing. So let's say put something like that into it. This is for the job. Okay, so this is the first prompt. Then we have the next step, which would be something like that. So once Gemini lists the target keywords, comment it to restructure your experience using high-impact metrics-driven sentences. So this it will create in the prompt number 1. Then in this one, we'll rewrite experience using the start framework. So situation, task, action, and results. So this is basically the step number 2. And for the last one right here, we have basically we will force Gemini to run a diagnostic check on its own text generation to ensure automated scanners can read it without getting jammed. So this is pretty useful if we want to create with an AI. So I think it's necessary. So yeah. And once you are done with that, you can just simply export to doc or download it to PDF, and you have created yourself updated resume with Gemini. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next